Solar housing will always cost more, but if we don't focus on doing it efficiently and making the right decisions, it could be extraordinarily expensive.
A net zero energy house is a house that over the course of a year produces all of its own energy. It's not practical to think about just doing it with solar energy. It would take a number of houses, 4 or 5, to collect enough energy to heat one ordinary house. So you have to reduce the amount of energy that house uses, and you have to reduce it every which way.
I particularly want to draw your attention to the passive solar gain versus the photovoltaic production. You can see that in Mill Creek, we're actually getting more usable energy through our south-facing windows than we are with our $40,000 to $50,000 photovoltaic system.
So it's important to do it at the lowest possible cost, and the most economical way to harvest solar energy is through south-facing windows, and in order to do that you need to have a site where that makes sense.
When we got to the third house, it started to feel somewhat familiar, and that's when a light came on and I realized that there was a series of steps that we should follow.
It's made it so that it's not much more work to design a net zero energy house than it is to design an ordinary house. There are a few other considerations, but fundamentally it's not that complicated.